If you're looking for one of the best bandages I've seen on the market, Niceful, this transparent waterproof bandage is incredible. Minor cuts, bruises, burns, things like that, no problem. But really where it excels is if you have a catheter inserted and you want to protect it, this is exactly what it's for. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like. There's 100 in this little package. So this is what it looks like, and it's super easy to do the application. I'll show you right here. So all you do is take care of the backing here, and so let's pretend I had a catheter going in here, and here that little lip, look at this. This is where the magic happens. Look at this go. So all of a sudden, it's skin on skin. I don't feel it at all. It protects whatever I have under there. If it's a minor cut, a bruise, a burn, or if it's a catheter, it completely envelops it and waterproofs it, really. So really easy. And the cool thing is once I'm ready to take it off, doesn't hurt, doesn't pull on any hairs, on any skin. It's fantastic. Super, super cool. I highly recommend the Niceful Transparent Bandages.